Clean your car's parking sensors like a pro in minutes. To clean parking sensors, first, identify them on your vehicle, usually on the front and rear bumpers. Prepare a solution of warm water and car shampoo. Use a soft, damp microfiber cloth to gently wipe the sensors, removing dirt and debris. For stubborn dirt or moisture, WD-40 can be sprayed on the sensors to help displace water and clean them. Detailed steps. Locate the sensors. Parking sensors are typically small, round sensors embedded in the front and rear bumpers of vehicles. Prepare cleaning solution. Mix warm water with a small amount of car shampoo in a bucket or bowl. Dampen the cloth. Dip a soft microfiber cloth into the solution and wring it out so it's damp, not dripping. Wipe the sensors. Gently wipe the sensors with the damp cloth, removing any dirt, dust, or debris. Dry the sensors. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to dry the sensors completely. WD-40 for stubborn cases. If dirt persists, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto the sensors and gently wipe them clean. WD-40 can help displace moisture and clean stubborn dirt. Test the sensors. After cleaning, test the parking sensors by putting your car in reverse or driving forward at low speeds to ensure they are functioning correctly. Important notes. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or harsh chemicals, as they can damage the sensors. If your parking sensors are not working after cleaning, you may need to consult a professional or check the vehicle's manual for specific troubleshooting steps. In some cases, a faulty sensor may need to be replaced.